From this lesson, we are going to learn what is a solid, and we are going to learn what are the faces and what are the vertices and what are the edges of a solid. And moreover, we are going to learn about cube, cuboid and regular tetrahedron and about compound solid. Solids. Solids are the objects that have definite shape and occupy space in the environment. So here there are some examples. The faces of solids. Faces means in a solid the outer surface is called the face. Here in this brick there are 6 faces. In the die also there are 6 faces. Now all these faces are flat faces. So we call they are plane surfaces or plane faces. But when you see this marble, now it has a surface and that surface is curved. So we call it is a curved surface. In a tin, in this milk tin, we can see curved surface as well as a plane surface. Edges of the solid. Edges formed by meeting two faces of a solid. Here we can see straight edges. In the bricks there are 12 straight edges. In this cylindrical shape concrete slab we can see curved edge. Here plane surface and the curved surface meet. At that point we can see curved edge. The vertices of solids. The vertices of solid form by meeting edges. Normally, two or more than two edges meet, the vertices will form. In the brick and the die, we can see there are 8 vertices. Those vertices are formed by meeting 3 edges. Cube. Here there is a block of a cube. Using this block we can make a cube. In the cube there are 6 plane faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cuboid. Cuboid, the block of a cuboid is shown. Using this block we can make a cuboid. Examples for cuboids are bricks, the boxes. Here there are 6 faces and there are 12 edges and 8 vertices. Regular tetrahedron. In a regular tetrahedron, the face is a triangular face. There are 4 triangular faces and there are 6 edges and 4 vertices. The block is shown here. Using this block we can make a regular tetrahedron. Here, compound solids. We can see 2 solids here. By combining cube and a prism, the first solid is made. So by combining 2 or more solids, we can make compound solids. So in the second diagram shows when 2 prism combine together, we can make a solid like this. So we can find how many faces, how many edges and how many vertices are there. In the first figure, by combining cube and a prism, there are 9 faces and there are 16 edges and there are 9 vertices. In the second solid, by combining 2 prisms, we can see there are 8 triangular faces and there are 12 edges and there are 6 vertices.